morning, Mr. Javed. This is Ayo from Toyota Derby. So instead of making pictures, I decided to make a video for you. So this is it. So that's your new car. Congratulations. So like promised, silver color, 1.4 diesel, and on 2012 plate. Okay, so come and take a look closer in your vehicle. So it also has navigation. So something you didn't ask for, and I didn't know it has, but this car has navigation as well. So very good condition. So cannot wait to see you and test drive the car. In the box, so yeah. So this goes like that. So that's that. Plenty of space in the back. And we can take a look inside as well. So looks nice and clean. And thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you then.